How to activate two WhatsApp accounts in one Android phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily activate two different WhatsApp accounts in one Android phone. So if you haven't already, just make sure you have successfully downloaded WhatsApp application from your Play Store. It's available for free there, and just open it and make sure you log into your first account just like this. As you can see, I have already signed into my first account. So to add multiple accounts or just more than one accounts, so what you need to do is just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner and just click on settings, and from over here just click on this plus icon at the right of your account section, as you can see, and from over here you get the option called add account. So simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, now you can rewrite your new phone number from over here. So if you already have logged into this account on this device, then there should be no problem regarding your account registration. So it will automatically look for backup as well if you have had turned on your backup option as well. So let me just wait for some time, and let me just skip this restore button, and it will ask for the name. So just provide your name just like this and click on next, and you can create your password as well, or you can just skip it for now. So let me just create one, and after some time it should automatically create an account by adding. So that is exactly how you can add or activate two WhatsApp account on one Android phone. Now I can also switch accounts between my previous account and this account just like this. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.